Hi, today on Enso Homestead, we're making an indoor swing for my daughter. I'm starting by cutting this 2x6 to a length of about 2 feet. I want to make some corner radiuses on this, so I usually just look for something circular, kind of line it up. Use that as my template. Now we just need to cut out the curves on the bandsaw. Now I'm just going to smooth out the corners with the belt sander. I've accumulated a bunch of rope over the years. We'll probably use that yellow one for the swing. What do you think? Huh?